All right, y'all. So last time I did my video, I showed y'all a big mess, and I'm still working on it. But this is what I did. The shelf is really unsturdy, so I had cut up my hair box, and I put at the bottom to try to leverage my items so they don't fall over and stuff. And I kind of separated it, got rid of a lot of stuff to make it, you know, more organized, which is what I wanted. All that stuff that was in there, organized it, pulled it out, and I put it all in here. I got these from Family Dollar, and all this is actually hair and wigs, stuff, just a lot of hair products. You see I got the gel piled up high, and my combs and brushes and hair products in there, shower bags and plastic bags because I have to condition my hair a whole lot, and I put the bags on my hair. And then you see this was a huge mess. I got rid of everything that I didn't need. This has been condensed to vitamins and health stuff. And I still have this behind the toilet for just different stuff. Not hairspray, but different items. Bathroom spray, and this is actually bleach water that we use. So I like the way it turned out. Getting it together. I think it's turning out good. I got a little bit more to go. Stuff to organize in here. As you can see, it's still a whole lot of other products. But I'm gonna get it together. Just showing you. This is actually a curio, you guys. This is a stereo stand. Yep, you put your radio back in there back in the day. Yep, back in the day you put your stereo in there, but I took it and condensed it and used it for my towel storage and wash rags at the bottom. So, yep, and this came from the shelf came from Lowe's for $20. It's a three-tier shelf, and the baskets came from Family Dollar. I got this makeup organizer from Ross. It was like $13. Yep. So, doing the best I can. I got these from the Goodwill. They were like $2.50 or something like that. Let me see. I think I took the stickers off, but yeah. They even have the flowers in them. I'm like, match my bathroom perfect. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you another overview of the bathroom I'm working on. Good luck with your projects, getting everything organized. It's definitely something that needs to be done to get things feeling more refreshed, you know, and you're not walking into a mess, because this was too much and kind of overwhelming. All right, you guys, talk to you later. Good luck with your projects.